When it comes to heating your home, comfort and efficiency should be the top priorities. If you're looking to replace your current system, it's important to know your options in finding reliable heating throughout your entire home. In this video, we'll cover 4 ways that you can heat your home and stay warm this winter. Hi, I'm Brian with Fire and Ice, and depending on the size and location of your home, there might be several options available to properly heat your home. After having thousands of conversations with our clients, we've identified 4 ways that we recommend to heat your home comfortably and efficiently. There are other methods available, and we encourage you to explore those options if a whole home solution is not right for you. So here are the 4 ways to heat your home: a gas furnace system, an electric furnace system, a heat pump system, and finally, a ductless mini-split system. By the end of this video, you'll know 4 ways you can heat your home and which method would be best for you. So let's start with the first way to heat your home, a gas furnace system. A gas furnace is a home heating solution that runs off natural gas or propane. The natural gas is ignited in the furnace, warming up the air, which is then delivered throughout the home. A gas furnace is usually paired with an outdoor air conditioner and delivers heat via the ductwork. If a gas line is available to your home, a gas furnace is generally the best option because it provides an efficient heat source with a lower energy cost. A gas furnace is typically the most common residential heating solution due to the availability of gas lines. There are other fuel types available like propane or oil, but they are more rare in practice. The price range for a gas furnace could be from $3,000 to $6,200, depending on the model, the size and location of your home, or specific installation requirements. Now let's move on to the next way to heat your home, an electric furnace system. An electric furnace is a home heating solution that runs off electricity. An electric furnace is similar to a gas furnace where the heat is produced and then carried throughout your home via the ductwork, but the difference lies on how the heat is generated. Think about it like a hairdryer. Air enters the system through a heat exchanger. Once in the heat exchanger, the electric heating elements will warm up the air. An electric furnace is most common when natural gas lines are not available in the home. They tend to be smaller in size and they typically have lower initial installation costs. However, an electric furnace tends to have higher utility costs because electricity is not the most efficient way to heat a large home. The price range for an electric furnace could be from $2,500 to $5,000, depending on the model, the size, and location of your home, or specific installation specifications. The next way to heat your home is by using a heat pump system. A heat pump system not only heats your home, but can also cool your home as well. In the cooler months, a heat pump pulls heat from the outdoor air and transfers it indoors. A heat pump can be paired with an air handler to efficiently heat your home. Heat pumps are used to control your comfort by transferring heat, and the air handler assists in moving all the transferred heat around your home. A heat pump generally has a higher initial installation cost, but could meet both your heating and cooling needs. Heat pumps are more common in milder climates, where the temperature does not typically drop below freezing. Because heat pumps don't produce heat, the air from a heat pump isn't as hot as what you would get from a gas furnace. A price range for a heat pump system could be from $5,000 to $9,000, depending again on the model, the size and location of your home, or specific installation requirements. And finally, the last way to heat your home is a ductless mini-split system. A ductless mini-split system is similar to a heat pump where it can both heat and cool your home. The main difference is a ductless mini-split system does not require the use of ductwork connected to your central air system. A ductless mini-split is usually added to your current HVAC system in order to adjust hot or cold spots in certain areas of your home. Places like an attached garage or a master bedroom on the second or third story could be a great location for a ductless mini split. Since a ductless mini split is separated from your HVAC system, you have complete temperature control over certain zoned areas in your home. The price range for a ductless mini split system is about $5,000, and the price could vary depending on how many zones you would like in your home. So, what should you do next? If you want more information on heating systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to making your day better.